We'll do unboxing of the Chaser Hello Kitty scooter bought from Toys R Us. We also bought helmet and all protected gears. So, kumpleto na si Maiko ng protected gear from head to elbows to kanyang wrists and the knees. So, kala mo, bilis magpandar ni Maiko ha. Okay, nak. So, we'll now set up her scooter. Press this upward. And then, sige.